What's up, guys? So hey, we got some stuff done on the 1984 CR80. Let me show it to you. All right, this thing is looking sweet. So let's see what I got. So you might notice it's cleaned up quite a bit. Shut this light up here. It's cleaned up quite a bit. Kind of shiny, wet through. Did some engine degreaser. I should have probably did some more scrubbing on it. Man, I thought I did a better job. It's crazy. Okay, yeah, I thought I did. This stuff's just decolored. I don't know the word, but it's part of the color, I guess. Anyways, so I tried to clean the seat up too, best I could. See the CR part here. Engine pipe. Swing arm. Added these on here now. Also right here on the tank. Right here. Right here. Right here. Then I added a new petcock to it. So now you turn it on. It's not dumping fuel out everywhere, which is awesome. Got that on eBay. Super cheap. Still won't kick over though. Still won't start. So I think I'm going to just take this off. I've never done it before. And see if I can clean this carburetor out. Looks like it's the stock carburetor. It still has compression. But yeah, it just won't start. So looks a lot better. Cool, these decals came in. There wasn't much to the set, just what you see here. So I went online and tried to match some that I seen. There was some other kits I could have got, but I wanted to keep it the era specific. That's the correct way to say it. I wanted to look like it was all original, you know, which the plastics are and everything like that. But these decals, you can't really get them. But they're all right. You can tell they're not original, of course, but I'll give you one more look at it. We'll do a little close-up on these. I don't know if you can see, but you can kind of just tell they're just, you know, made from some printer. But from here, looks sweet. So the next video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean that carb out and see if I can get it running, and then I'll let you guys know. So that's it for now. I think I have about $250 into this thing total. Hopefully get it running. That'll boost up the price. Otherwise, I'm just going to try to cut loose of it and maybe make a couple $100 on it. Thanks for watching. And as always, God bless. And I'm hoping and praying that I can get this thing fired up, because that's going to be cool. And I can clean this carburetor out.